Hi, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter Product Reviews. Today we're looking at the Weller Soldering Brass Sponge Tip Cleaner, and 3 things you need to know about this. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate it. Now here's the first thing you need to know. Thing number 1, it helps reduce tip residue without damaging your tip. So that's, to me, very important, because I've had soldering irons where I've tried what was available at the time, and I actually had tip damage, and it almost looked like the tip had caved in on itself. You want something with a little bit of oomph to it, like this is going to have, but you don't want it to be just scraping away at the metal tip. Thing number 2, this doesn't subject your soldering iron to cool down situations just because you use a wet sponge to work the tip instead of something like this. And if you're not running a soldering station like the Weller 1010, you may have no idea how far your temperature has dropped, and you start noticing when you have issues of getting a good, bright, shiny solder connection. So that's another reason. Is it's, you can be in and out and you're done, where with the sponge, and if the sponge is all you got, that's better than nothing. The Weller brass cleaner is just a little bit better. Now, thing number 3, it uses silicone as a cup or holder. I don't know how you quite want to phrase it, which is going to reduce the experience slip. And if you need to move it for some reason, you don't have to worry about the container being hot, because that silicone's going to do a good job at dispersing that one. So really, that's going to be the best of both worlds. And if you need to move the cleaning brass around, there's enough flexibility in the silicone. You can move it around and get it exposed to another area that hasn't been used. You're getting kind of an even wear to the, I don't want to say brass filings, but the brass wool. I can't find the right words, and I apologize for that. But it's going to help you do the best job possible at keeping the tip clean and ready to go. So take a look at this one and think about getting one today. I've been very pleased with mine in the short time that I've had it, and I've got several projects in the wings where it will really help keep things to their best in terms of getting a good clean solder joint. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.